guys, good morning. It's February 18. Liberty ito Jaira. It's Feb 18. It's a Sunday. And we're gonna jog. Twinning niyo. Twinning. Okay, hindi short kay orange. Orange day me today. Yay. Kung na siya guys, mga kakuan, it's nagtaligsik. Nagtaligsik. But it's not gonna stop me. It's not gonna stop us, charot. So, bye for now. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hindi ka namiga, mga kakuan. There. Jazz! Wait, oy, walk sa ta first, oy. Oy, walk pa sa, oy. Mukuyog yun. Mukuyog yun sa siyagkuan, jogging. Nag-bike guys. Wala ko ano. Nag-bike. We're here na mga kakuan sa top of the world. Nabot na bis babaw. Woo! Singot ako. Yeah! Ngayon na siya da. Pero tulog. Yeah! Ano siya guys? Marami sa babaw.
Ako din.
Ano ito mong dito gabi? Ano ka? Ako ka? Oh guys. No, the fog. The fog of city. Don't kita. Fog. Foggy ang city guys. Kataan. It's very windy. Very windy here. So windy here, mga kakuan. May batang yung nagawa. Oh guys, tama ka kuan. Fog overhead. It's very windy. Oh mga kakuan. Nice kayo siya ang view sa city. Arami, kapit kami maabot sa outpost. Kapit maabot sa outpost. Kapit ko. Hi! Kapoy na ka? Kapoy na ka? Ha? Oh, yun di. Mapa ko na siya ikapoy di. Patay ito di. Ibalik. Look at siyang view.
Patience, pining, and anticipation. My hands are shaking from holding back from you. All of this silence and patience, pining, and desperately waiting. My hands are shaking from all this. See my name and everything just stops. I don't want you like a best friend. It's just so you could take it out. Take it out.
Ngayon ka?
Don't even to
Vlog? Vlog mo man.
I don't want you like a best friend. It's just so you could take it out. Your buzz cut and my hair bleeds. Even in my worst times, you can see the best of me. Flashback to my mistakes, my rebounds, my earthquakes. Even in my worst lies, you saw the truth in me. I woke up just in time. Never wake up by your side. My one and only, my lifeline. I woke up just in time. Like a best friend. Only about this just so you could take it out.
Mga kakuan, going to tuong bilisan.
Imagine walk on me, golden tattoo. Only about this just so you could take it out.
Kaya mo ito, sakit na motor na balik ikapoy na kayo. May motor ha?
Pair of hands.
So guys,
I know this
ano ito
shouldn't
ang
be a
Manlay Forest.
lonely time.
Manlay Forest or sa Bohol ba?
But Christmas is when I did wonder how you are tonight. 'Cause there were Christmas is when you were mine. You were mine. They'll have the nerve to take the halls that we once walked through. One for the money, two for the show. I never was ready, so I watch you go. Sometimes you just don't know the answer to someone's on their knees and asked you. She would have made such a lovely bride. What a shame she's fucked in her head. They said, but you'll find the real thing instead. She'll patch up your tapestry that I shred. Hold your hand while dancing. At least that's what people say. That's what people say. But I keep closing. Can't stop, won't stop moving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright. 'Cause the players gonna play. And the haters gonna hate, baby. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off, I shake it off. I shake it off.
Ay, batang namulit ang ano. Wala. Ha? Ito na. Ito na, di ba?
Shake.
Nagamang tawag sa akoan. Tapos na mo from. Down there yun. Down there yun sa. Kamita ng barangay ko. Ay, baka wag mo sa akin.
And he says, our song is the same as we
Ito guys. Nagbabayan ng mga sinasura. Sinasura. Nagawa ninyo. Kaloy sa Mother Nature.
Could play it again. Almost didn't notice all the roses and the note that said, our song is the same as we tapping on your window. We're on the phone and you talk real slow. 'Cause it's late and your mama don't know our song is real. The first thing that you do is and when I got home before I said amen, asking
Ang
God
dapat guys. Pinakabasura guys.
play it again.
Makukuan. Mga kakamutangers. Mga car. Sige. Punta niyo basura dili. Oh my God.
You belong to me.
Ano yung mga rapper? Baka ka nang buwan ko. Nabay yung mga basura.
Living on a park bench, thinking to myself, hey, isn't this easy? And you've got a smile that can light up. Doing never thought like that. She wears high heels and I wear sneakers. She's here, captain, and I'm on the beach just dreaming about the stand by you, waiting at your back door all the time. How could you not know, baby? You belong in me. You belong to me.
Naklen! May nasa ka na. Mga si Wings eh.
Why can't you see?
Si Wings. May kusog na rin. Ha? Ay, ano ko pagmasukuan? Tagak imong Wings. Tagawin, tagak. Balik. Oy, ang kao! Ang kao, Jazz! Ang kao ba? Ayay! Hindi ka ko yung sunod. Basta likon.
As I turn out the light, I'll put this picture
Sige na, palitan. Nagkusog ka, Ray! Nice. It's raining. It's raining. It's raining.
Listen for the best. My reputation's never been worse. Any promises now can be big, but you can make me dream. Top bar on the east side, where you at? One lights up a nightstand in the back. Come here, you can meet me in the back.
No
Dark jeans and
excuse.
your Nikes, look at you. Oh damn, never seen that color blue. Just think of the fun things we could do. Cause I like this for the best. My reputation's living with so damn.
Sana may kapasgas. Sungay ay.
7 a.m.
Sana may batang
Say
gasong
it in
ay
the
ay.
street, that's a knockout. But you say it in the
Oo na
tweet, that's a
ron.
cop out. And I'm just like, hey, are you okay? And I ain't trying to mess with you. Searching on the street at the parade. But you would rather be in the dark age, just taking that time.
Dapat na kaday?
Must have taken all night.
Ha?
Just need to take several seats and then try to
Wala,
restore the
wala,
peace and
wala,
control your
wala,
urges. Just read about all the people you hate.
Dapat na po.
You should take it as a compliment that I got drunk and made fun of the way you talk. Looking in mine, I feel like I might sink and drown and die. You're so gorgeous, I can't say anything to your face. Just look at your face. And I'm so furious at you for making me feel this way. What can I say? You're gorgeous. We're singing in the car, getting lost upstate. Autumn leaves falling down like pieces into place, and I can picture it after all these days. And I know it's long gone, and that magic's not here no more. And I might be okay, but I'm not fine at all. 'Cause there we are again, and I know it's long gone, and there was nothing else I could do. And I forget about you long enough to forget who I am.
Bagay.
I don't like your little games.
Okay,
Don't
mga
like
kaano
your
pa.
tilted stage.
No.
The role you made me play, the fool. No, I don't like you. I don't like your perfect crime. How you laugh when you lie. You said names and yours is in red underlined. I check it once, then I check it twice. Oh, look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. I don't like your kingdom keys.
It's raining.
Once belonged to me. You.
Bagay. Ano ko? Yung pagkakaan.
Sorry, April Taylor can't come to the phone right now.
Bagay.
Why? Because she's dead. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you made me do. Look what you just made me do. Look what you just made me do. And it's looking back to me. Tossing, turning, strolling through the night with someone new. Maybe I could go on. She's better than me.
Almost home. Mga kakaan. Diba tayo?
Well, I tried to fit in with your upper crust circles. Yeah, they let me sit in back when we were in love. All these sit around talking about the meaning of life and the book that just saved them that I hadn't heard of. Now that we're done and it's over, I bet you could. Searching for your soul, scared
Hindi ka mga kakuan. Nice tayo.
chasing make-believe status.
Naisan or wala. Sunny day or any day, nice kayo siya mong lugar. Diba, Day? Nice kayo itong place? Ay, hindi mo supportive.